we're putting up the old bank entrance that we had at Black Dog for a hunt Sloanum exhibit, which is going to start here next month, and it's going to be kind of fun.
We're squaring up the base right now and solidifying that so that we're in preparation to get the archway put on top of it. We're figuring it out, taking things carefully, and we got blankets everywhere, so.
We have a 93.75% probability that we'll get this right.
That's way better than your last odds.
Yeah.
And now we'll square these up and then run a 2x4. Yeah. So we're trying to get the base square. It's gonna come out a half inch. So you probably want to put the pallets on here now.
That's probably the way to go. Using their equipment to lift this dome, and we don't have our forklift that we're used to, so we have to make a platform for this to sit on to lift it on up to the height we need. There. I like it. Hey Jim, by the way, you guys have inherited a piece now.
Hey, no, you're coming to get this.
No longer will it come back to us. It's tag, you're in.